Howdy Hacksters! Let's go on a big excellent adventure. On this particular adventure you can win fabulous prizes as you explore the Xilinx developer ecosystem. You'll learn a bit more about the available hardware and electronics history, plus win some cool stuff. How about we take a look at the website? Each of these icons on the game board is a quick activity you can complete for coins. After completing each one, you'll get a secret code that you enter on your personal scorecard. These activities are worth different numbers of coins, which you'll use in the wishing well to win prizes up to your total value of coins. There will be 5 wishing rounds, and each time you have a chance to win your chosen prize. If you don't win, you keep your coins for the next round, so there's nothing to lose. As you can see, BXA goes all the way through February 2022, so the earlier you join, the more chances you have to win. Now let's say hey to Rebecca from Xilinx, who can tell us some more about the adventure.
Yeah, so Big Excellent Adventure is basically a game on Hackster that is themed around Xilinx technology, products, our company, our history, all of that. And what people can do is go and learn a little bit more about the company via quizzes, watch videos, read use cases, etc., build projects even, and earn some coins and trade those coins in for a chance to win some really neat prizes. So one of the reasons why Xilinx really loves working with Hackster and engaging with the community is that it really gives us a chance to reach users and different developers around the world that may not even have known about Xilinx before or have not considered using our type of technology, programmable logic technology, or FPGAs as they're better known in their projects. So this is a great way to do that. It also lowers the barrier a little bit too for people who maybe have been shy about dabbling with FPGAs, but definitely wanted to learn a little bit more about Xilinx. Well, this is your chance, right? Without having to go into, I guess, quote, the deep end and join, like a hands-on workshop or anything right out the gate. You can go and take some quizzes or watch some videos like I mentioned before.
So do you have to know anything about FPGAs in order to join this?
No, definitely not. This is open to people of all backgrounds, skill sets, etc.
Awesome. Now there's this thing on the page, something at the bottom called Project Hero. Could you tell us about that?
So Project Hero is a great way for us to recognize the awesome projects that have been developed using Xilinx products on Hackster.io. And so what it is that once a month, we will select one project hero during the duration of Big Excellent Adventure. As long as the project was created after August 2020 and you're registered for Big Excellent Adventure, then you're eligible to be selected as a project hero. And what you'll win is $500, as well as your project will be featured on the Big Excellent Adventure landing page and on developer.xilinx.com, which is our portal for software developers.
That is so cool. So they got a ton of attention as well. Plus, there's already an item in the adventure where you can create a project for 1,000 coins. 1,000 coins! And then on top of that, if you're selected as the project hero for the month, then you also can win $500 and get featured in all these places?
Yes, yeah. So we wanted to create just different ways for people to get recognized, win coins, and make it just easy for them to have fun and earn prizes.
That is so cool. Just to get people's, creative juices flowing, what are some things that Xilinx technology is already used for that people may or may not know about?
Yeah, so people who are playing the Big Excellent Adventure might come across some really neat use cases to learn just about this topic. So for example, people may not know, but earlier this year, Xilinx went to Mars with the
What?
latest rover. Yeah. And what's even more interesting is this is not the first time that we have gone to Mars with our friends at NASA. So it's really cool. I'd say that that's one of the cooler applications that is really well known and public. The other thing that people may not know is that Xilinx is in a lot of the automobiles that are out there on the road today, and we're a big part of the future of autonomous vehicles and even some more futuristic applications like robo taxis.
Whoa.
I know I can't say, if we're working on anything like Jetsons technology yet and hovering and all that, but some people might have seen that Xilinx is designed into the next generation eyesight technology for Subaru cars. Eyesight is basically Subaru's driver assist technology, or ADAS.
Cool.
we definitely are at the heart of a lot of the smart automobile technology that's out there today.
That's super cool. So, what kind of prizes can people win here? Let's get people excited.
Yeah, so people who participated in last year's Freebie Friday might remember some of the cool Xilinx branded swag that was available. So if you missed out on that during Big Excellent Adventure, you'll see some of the same prizes again. So some people might recognize this really cool FPGA Fanatic t-shirt.
Uh-huh.
There's some other exclusive t-shirt designs that will be available. So some other cool prizes that people can win are like the Oculus Quest 2.
Whoa,
And the
cool.
particular one we're giving away will also come with this neat bean looking
Oh,
carrier case.
that's so futuristic. Super
And then
future.
other prizes that we're giving away are some neat gaming prizes. So gaming hardware, like, for the Wishing Round 1, we'll be giving away a Corsair gaming keyboard. And people who are gamers should definitely keep an eye out for some other things that we have not yet announced. Um,
Ooh.
we're also going to be giving away, of course, FPGA hardware. We definitely would need to do that, right? And in fact, one of the first pieces of hardware we're giving out is our Vision AI starter kits, our Korea Vision AI starter kits that we announced not too long ago. And it's a perfect starter kit for people who really want to tap into our type of technology and are developing Vision AI applications.
Oh yeah, I've got one of those right here.
Oh,
And
awesome. Yeah.
and I think that we're also giving away some of these Hackster shirts, which are my favorite from back in the day. They're
Oh,
super
yeah.
cool.
To the future.
Hack to the future. It's the best shirt that we've ever made, and I love it. It's super soft, and I think that it's our most popular t-shirt design ever. It's a great prize. I love
Awesome.
the Xilinx shirt too.
So some of the other hardware that we'll be releasing throughout the year may be hardware that's not as well known, and some brand new hardware. So people should definitely keep an eye out. We'll be giving away prizes that increase in value as well as Big Excellent Adventure goes on. So I can give everybody who's watching this video a sneak peek today that's not public yet is
Ooh.
yeah, so one of the things that we'll be giving away is a Mega Pink pack. So for people who are familiar with Pink, it's Xilinx's Python framework. And we have some boards that are out there that are compatible with Pink. We also have some really neat Pink swag that will be going into that pack.
So tell me about this magic pack that you have.
Yeah, so the Magic Pack is really fun tchotchkes. So of course, everything in there is magical. So you will get inside that a stuffed unicorn, so magical unicorn, as well as some holographic stickers and also a color changing straw that is BPA free. Other than hardware and swag, people can also win some gift cards throughout the contest. So keep an eye out. So, like I said before, it is a really easy, low barrier way for people to learn more about Xilinx and our technology. And I mean, you did some of the activities, right, Alex? And
Yeah, they're super
I,
easy.
you can attest that some of them are really fun.
Yeah, I learned some stuff about Xilinx and I learned some stuff about George Boole.
Yeah, so that's the other thing too, is that this is not just going to be all about Xilinx every single activity, but we are trying to teach people too a little bit more about, for example, the background of where programmable logic technology comes from and its roots in Boolean algebra,
That's
right?
super cool.
Yeah, a little bit more about industry, applications, and all that. And definitely people should do this if they like swag, because we will be giving away a lot of Xilinx and Hackster swag for sure.
Yeah. You heard her. Register now to get updates on new activities as well as reminders about upcoming wishing rounds. Best of luck.